Alright, y'all, this is my 2006 Malibu LTV6 3.5. When I first bought the car, it had 106,000 miles. Right now, I just hit 110. LED, CCFL, halo, billet grill. I didn't put the bottom piece on yet. Yeah. Switchback LED, turn signals, sunroof, tinted windows all the way around. Double DIN Android radio. One second. Chevy logo comes on, the car comes on. Pretty cool. Tail light smoked LED. I got two 12-inch kickers, Compar, with a 1200 watt amp, Hyphonics. So pretty much all cosmetic stuff. Plan on doing dual exhaust, cold air intake, and new brakes, new shocks. So that's as far as my plans for the future. I just got this little badge off of O2 Monte Carlo. It's the same color as the paint, so it works. So yeah, that's my car. Really clean, drives really smooth. No issues so far other than replacing the battery. Just had my coolant flushed out. Other than that, pretty smooth car.